Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset service Audi A3 2013, full guide. Start with the ignition off and gather a small flathead screwdriver and the car key. I'll walk you through the dashboard menu, the instrument cluster buttons, and a quick verification drive step. Follow each step calmly, and I'll explain common error messages and simple fixes you can try before visiting a dealer or mechanic. To access the service menu, turn the ignition to position Roman 2 without starting the engine and locate the instrument cluster controls. Use the left stalk or steering wheel buttons to scroll through the main menu until you reach the vehicle settings or service interval section. I'll describe which buttons to press and how long to hold them to reveal the reset option. Stay patient and count seconds when prompted for a confirmed reset. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long car projects and fits cup holders perfectly. I find it handy when kneeling by the bumper or taking test drives after a reset. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. When you reach the service reset option, highlight it and press and hold the appropriate button until a confirmation appears. If the cluster asks, select Yes to complete the reset, then wait for the message to clear. After resetting, turn the ignition off, then restart the car to confirm the service interval shows updated or zeroed value. I'll also mention simple troubleshooting if the reset doesn't take on the first try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.